What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dog Day from Poppy Playtime. For today's lesson I'll be drawing with a Sharpie fine point marker. I've got a sheet of 11 by 17 white paper and some markers to color with. I'll leave a full list of my art supplies with links in the description below. Let's get started in the center of the page at the top edge of the nose. We're going to draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now from the ends we want to bend this down and in towards the center of our page. And then we'll fill the nose in black. From the bottom tip of our nose, let's draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to come down and bend that up. Let's go back to the center, come down, and then up towards the right. And then we're going to add a fold across the cheek. We're going to step in, curve out, and then down, going the opposite direction on the right side. Now you want to step in and draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's start on the left. Come down with a half circle, round out the mouth, and then go back up on the right. Let's place the tongue along the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, let's go up, then down towards the right. I'm going to step back to create a fold. I'm going to go up and then back down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Let's start on the left side, and we want to go around the tongue. Now let's go to the side of the nose and draw the top of the cheeks. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up, around the corner of the mouth, and then down. And then along the cheeks we're going to add some fur. Let's start on the left. We're going to step in, we're going to go around, and just hook that back in. Let's add one more. We're going to come down the side, and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. Going around and in, and down, and then up. Let's trace the bottom of the mouth. Let's start back on the left, and come down the middle, go across, and then up. Now we're going to go back up the top and tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side and go in, up towards the top of the eye, come down and in on top of the cheek. Let's go to the right, going up toward the same height, come down and then in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're drawing an oval, coming down toward the cheek, and then back up. Now I'm going to go back to my thick black marker and fill in the inside of the eyes, going around that. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the top of the head. We're going to start on top of the left cheek, go around the eye, going up toward the top of the brow. Let's bend that down in the middle, bend this up towards the right, go around the eye, and then bring that down. Let's add that patch across the right eye, starting from the top. Just going to bend this down and then in. Now you want to stretch the arms out towards the sides. So let's start from the left side of the head. We're just going to bend this out and then up towards the wrist, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs going up. We go up, round out the thumb, and come back down. Let's add another curve for the palm, going out and then in towards the wrist. Now from the outside of the thumb, we're going to add a curve for the palm, going out and back in, almost like a bracket. And then along the bottom, we're going to add the pinky, coming down and then bending that up. Let's tuck the other two fingers in behind the palm. We're going to start from the top, bend this up and then out, round out the finger, and then bend that back in. And do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more finger in between, going down, and then bend that up. Now for the inside finger, we're just going to bend the arm, coming in and then down towards the side of the body. Let's separate the wrist with a curve going around the arm. Now before we go any further, let's move to the center of the body and draw a circle. And then we want to surround that circle with a series of bumps. Let's start in the middle at the very top. It's going to go all the way around. These little curves. From the top on the side, angle is up and out underneath the head. Now let's go back to the arms. We're going to bend this in and then down towards the hips. Let's add that patch underneath. We're going to start on the left, and down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now underneath this trim, we want to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you go back to the left side and draw the foot. We're going to round up the heel, go all the way out, round out the foot, come in, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around towards the outside, come up, and then bend that down. Now we're going to go back to the hips and curve the leg, come down and then out on top of the feet. Let's separate the ankle, starting from the foot, going in, and then down towards the bottom. Now let's draw the bottom pad of the foot. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, and down towards the heel, and then bend that down. And then along the top of the foot, we're going to separate the toes with two curves. One on the outside, step in, and draw that again. Now let's swing the tail out from the right side. We're going to start from the body, going out, and then up. Now I'm going to add some fur along the bottom. So come down and then in, go out, come down across the bottom and in. Let's add one more curve, going out and then in towards the side. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw those large ears tucked in behind the head and the arms. Let's start on the left side of the brow. Start with a fold. We'll go up and then bend that down. Now along the top of this curve, we're going to go up, come down, and then bend this out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the ear coming all the way around in behind the finger. Let's continue in between the arm and the head. Now I'm just going to place the eyebrows on top of the head, starting on the left, going up and then down. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw DogDay from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a full list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.